This video explores how you can customize the navigation bar in the Canvas LMS. Being able to customize your navigation bar to get rid of unused tools is a good practice in order to avoid cognitive overload for students. So in order to do this, we are going to click on our course. From here, you're going to click on the settings link. From here you see there's multiple tabs. We are going to go to our navigation tab. From here, this shows us our navigation pane, and we can see these are items that have been that are enabled, and these are items that are disabled, meaning that students cannot see these. So let's just say, for example, we want to enable conferences so students can see that, but let's say we want to disable discussions. So notice disabled is here, and now it's falling under the disabled items. And over on this pane, we can see what's currently disabled. So when we click the Save button, we can see that discussions has now been added to this list. So let's do a quality check, because the navigation pane for the course designer looks very different from the student. So we're going to click on the Home tab, and from here, let's go to Student View. Make note of the current navigation pane. Notice how it changes, and notice we do not see items such as our discussion tool on the nav bar anymore. So everything looks as it should, so we're going to leave the student view. And that is how you customize your navigation pane in the Canvas LMS.